Hi, it's Vicky from Crafting Claire's Paper Moments. I'd like to show you how to make a very quick Christmas robin using the Stampin' Up! 2-step bird punch. You'll need a scrap of Whisper White and 3 ink pads. I've got ruby red here, you'll need a soft red for this, a pale brown, I've got creamy caramel, and I'm using chocolate chip ink as well. I've got a sponge dauber, I'll just ink that up and just create a small patch of soft red on your cardstock. Then take some creamy caramel ink and with another dauber just smudge some ink around there. Make sure you've got a nice slot of ink. Don't press too hard with your ink. Here's my top tip. Just smudge the ink over the ruby red and around it. And don't worry if it's a bit blotchy because it works anyway. Unlock your bird punch. I'm just going to punch out a wing first. There'll be bits that you don't need, you just discard those. And then I just position the bird in such a way as the red shows as just a blush on the breast of the bird. I like to define the bird with a little bit of chocolate chip ink. So just smudging a little bit over the back of the bird, on his head, perhaps a little bit on his beak, and on the wing of the bird. Just on the top there. I'm going to use a dimensional to pop the wing on. Oops. Here's the wing of my bird. And for his eye, I'll just use a paper piercer. I believe every home should have one of these. And with the fine nib of your chocolate chip marker, just define that eye just a little bit. And there's the bird. I'm going to use another dimensional on a card that I've already stamped. And there we go, a quick and simple Christmas robin. If you'd like to know how to make this card, then come and visit me on my blog. Thanks for watching.